Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening to all. Then today present 5 members. Where is remaining students?
Sir, I don't know.
Hmm. Yes. Hello. Then next topic is properties of binomial coefficients. First one, not first one. First, if 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so on plus ncr x power r plus so on ncn x power n. Then binomial coefficients nc0 nc1 nc2 so on ncn or it can be written as coefficients c0 c1 c2 c3 so on cn. Okay, then same thing, replacing x by minus x by minus x, right? Same thing, 1 minus x whole to the power of n, 1 minus x whole to the power of n is equal to nc0 minus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square minus nc3 into x cube plus so on plus minus 1 whole to the power of r ncr x power r plus so on ncn x power n. Minus 1, right? Here also minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of n ncn x power n. This one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. How are you, Keshav?
Yes, sir. I wrote the test.
You wrote?
Yes, sir. Both I wrote yesterday.
Okay, okay.
You know my marks, right?
I don't know, Keshav.
Sir, I don't want to say. Can you check?
Okay,
Sir,
okay. I will tell.
only three are there. Only four are there, sir, today.
Today,
Only four are there.
4.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
The number of participants.
Only 4.
That's all.
Hmm. Then Priyanka where? Priyanka left.
Sir,
Hello?
is this the toughest chapter?
Tough chapter.
Yes, sir, because expansion they'll give off a triple line as form as how will we calculate?
Very tough chapter, but important chapter, good chapter.
Yes, very important chapter, sir. Like
Very, very important chapter.
algorithms,
JE and advanced, both.
sir, very important chapter, sir, because we can find power to something power something easily using this.
Yes, yes. Keshav, right?
Yes, sir. 1 minute I'll write.
Right, right.
Or else I take photo and keep, sir.
Take snapshot.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Done? Then property 1. Property 1. C naught, C1, C2, C3 plus so on plus Cn. Plus so on plus Cn, Cr, right? Cr plus so on Cn is equal to 2 power n. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1. Then we will get 2 power n, right? 2 power n.
Yes, sir, property of Pascal's triangle.
Yes, yes. So nc 2 power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 plus so on plus ncr, ncr x power r ncr plus so on ncn is equal. This is equation 3. Then property 2. C naught minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus so on minus 1 whole to the power of R, CR, CR minus so on minus 1 whole to the power of N, Cn is equal to is equal to is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1 in equation 2. In equation 2. So nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus so on minus 1 whole to the power of r ncr
So this is
plus
due
so
to
on
symmetry in binomial coefficients, right?
ncn is equal to 0. Then equation 4. Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Himanshu?
I am fine.
Hmm. So many classes absent.
Around about 6, I was having school exam.
Hmm. Then I already started binomial theorem. You see my video,
Yes.
last class video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. This is properties of binomial coefficients. Property 1, property 2. Then next, property 3. Property 3, equation 3 plus equation 4, right? Equation 3 plus equation 4, property 3, P3. Equation 3 plus equation 4. Then we will get sum of even binomial coefficients. Sum of even binomial coefficients.
Sir, can we write it like sigma to n by 2
Huh.
nc 2r?
Hmm.
So that also will give the same, right?
Which one?
Sir, like sum of these two is nothing but sigma to n
Us.
by 2.
Ah.
So sigma
Ah.
till the limit n by 2
Ah, yes, correct.
e2r.
Ah, correct. Two into C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus C6 plus C8 plus 1 2 power n. This is the third equation. This one is fourth equation. These two adding these two equations. Then we will get sum of even binomial coefficients 2 power n minus 1 formula. Sum of even binomial coefficients 2 power n minus 1. Two into C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus C6 plus C8 plus so on is equal to 2 power n. Then C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus C6 C8 so on is equal to 2 power n upon 2, right? Then it is equal to 2 power n minus 1, right? 2 power n minus 1. Then same thing, right? Equation 3, same property. Property 3, equation 3 minus equation 4, right? Equation 3 minus equation 4, right? Then we will get sum of odd binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients. Then 2 into C1 minus C3, C1 minus C3, C1, sorry, C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus C7 plus so on is equal to 2 power n. Then C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus C7 plus so on is equal to 2 power n upon 2 is equal to 2 power n minus 1.
Sir,
Hmm.
then how to find coefficient sum of coefficients of 1 minus 2x power n
1 minus
2x power n
1 minus 2x power n.
yes sir. The whole thing brackets sir.
Bracket.
No sir, no sir, the n is outside the bracket.
Okay, power n.
Yes,
1 minus 2x whole to the power of n. No? Then
yes sir. And here how to find sum of
same right. 1 minus 2x whole to the power of n.
So then it will form something like AP with this. Sir, sir, then how to do such problem?
Then binomial expansion apply direct. Here 1 plus minus 2x whole to the power of n, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then a plus b whole to the power of n form.
Sir, but we need sum of coefficients, right?
Sum of
Sir, but we need sum of coefficients.
coefficients. Sum of
Yes, sir.
coefficients. Then
Sir,
mm,
sir,
tell
yes, sir. Sir, can we have all chapter tests after
all chapters.
once? Like, what I'm saying is, every chapter can we have MCQ tests, sir? Because it has been so many days, sir, touching those chapters. Like, we can solve some questions from that. Given PDF and attend some tests, no, sir, MCQ.
Oh, okay. The
And this
competitive
next 2 months, can we do that
board
along with,
level or competitive?
sir, all levels, sir?
Ah,
For mainly on competitive level, sir, because like it's
The
been so many
Saturday,
days, sets and all.
hmm.
What I don't have any idea, sir, how questions will come.
Let's
So
see.
we
You
should
don't
have
know.
some tests,
Says most
no, sir.
probably then cardinal numbers is coming. Cardinal numbers.
basic
Yes, sir,
chapter,
but
sir, we don't need for that.
Hmm.
bro, like see if you solve questions only, no, like
Hmm.
many. I don't think we are unable to solve. If we have tests, no, we'll finish solving everything in order to attend a test at least. So I am telling, sir, like at least 3 tests a week, sir. Till end
Yeah, we are
of
having
the
3
session.
tests a week. We are
On
having one
some
chemistry.
chapters.
We are having one chemistry, one physics, and one mathematics.
3 subjects
This
conducted,
week
no?
we are
I'm
In the
saying
having.
from starting,
Keshav?
like all the chapters you should have at least one test,
All chapters.
a revision test, because
Revision.
board exam also is coming. MCQ level questions are there.
Okay, okay, okay.
Some tricky questions will come this time, it seems, sir. CCT they told.
Okay,
So
okay.
for that, if we prepare properly, means we
Hmm.
can go, no, sir. Like
Hmm.
every chapter will prepare, sir. We can't underestimate sets because any day
Hmm.
tough question will come, means we'll lose, sir. That's why.
One board level test, one KSET level, one mains level. You're
Yes,
asking,
sir.
right?
Every chapter you should have, sir.
Every
Single
chapter.
test.
Single test.
Yes, sir. I'm telling you,
Separate,
sir.
separate chapters or all both chapters, including all.
Sir, separate, sir. It will
Separate
be
each chapter.
useful. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because we have time
Then
till
I will
March end,
discuss
right?
to Arsh sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In this name, at least we'll finish all the PDF, right? It will be
All
helpful for the
concepts,
boards.
sets, relations,
Sir?
sets, relations and
Sir,
functions.
little bit we
Sir,
know,
I
sir.
counted, sir. I counted
We know,
all
sir.
number of questions in target exercise PDF.
Hmm.
There's 2,664 questions.
Oh, 2664.
Yes, sir. Total number of questions.
Okay, okay. So many
Sir, in
problems.
2 months we can finish.
Hmm.
Sir. That's not an issue.
No, if you
We
do
have test, we'll
like
obviously prepare. No.
Correct,
if you
correct.
try to do one question, like if you try to do in an hour 15 to 25 questions, it will take you 3 6 hours. That's approximately.
Per hour is 25.
Sir, like
Competitive
if
level
we
or board
think,
level?
sir, this is target actions mains level.
No, 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 no. Not complete. Per hour 25 problems. How complete? 25?
No, sir, actually 15 questions. If
15.
we
Minimum 15 complete. Minimum 15. Maximum is 20, below 20. 1 hour.
Yes, sir. I'm saying between 15 to 20.
15 to 20
Yes,
complete.
sir. Took
Confirm.
15, sir. I
15.
divided. Yes, sir. You'll get some 3 or 6 hours, sir.
Ah,
Total is more than 30 days.
yes.
If you do each day 8 hours.
Yes, yes, correct. Correct, Nagbhushan.
Sir, that too 8 hours for only maths who will keep.
No, no, no. Yeah, all the remaining subjects also is there now. Physics and chemistry.
Sir, totally. I only counted for physics and mathematics. Totally, it is some 5,000.
5,000
4,000. Sir, 4,600 total.
total. 4,600.
Yes, sir. Without chemistry. Chemistry.
Okay, only these two.
And I don't think you should do
These
every
two enough.
question. No.
Main subjects is maths and physics only, not chemistry. Chemistry is easy only, no? Organic chemistry, physical chemistry.
Sir, what I
Inorganic.
am doing is I'm not doing all the questions. I'm doing only like some questions are there, which is board level or before we have solved, means I'm leaving those questions, sir. Because anyway, somewhere it will be there and we would have solved.
Okay.
So I'll leave and I'll do which questions have not come. Like that I'm doing, sir.
Okay, okay.
That's why I'm feeling little.
Then I will discuss. Keshav?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Then property 3.
Yes, a
Then
proper.
I will tell this one. Then after that, Nagbhushan.
Okay, sir.
Then next,
Sir, how many properties?
total 7 properties is there.
Okay, sir.
Fourth property, right? Fourth property. Fourth, sixth, seventh important properties. P4. NCR is equal to N by R, N minus 1 C, R minus 1 is equal to n by r n minus 1 by r minus 1 n minus 2 c r minus 2 is equal to n by r n minus 1 n minus 2 upon r minus 1 n minus 3 c r minus 3 is equal to so on.
So we also learned this one in combinations.
Combinations?
I guess so, sir.
Correct.
Sir, for permutation also it's there.
Permutation also is there. Okay.
Other formula, but not this.
C0 C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus C4 minus C5 plus so on minus 1 whole to the power of r CR plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole to the power of n Cn is equal to 0. Is equal to 0, or it can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r nc r is equal to 0.
Sir, we
NC
did this right on property 2.
property
So the solid came in property 2.
property 2
Yes, sir.
property 2 already done, no? Yes,
Yes,
yes. Sigma, right? Sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r ncr is equal to 0. And also write sigma r is equal to 0 to n r into minus 1 minus 1 whole to the power of r into ncr is equal to 0. R into ncr is equal to 0. Similarly, sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r square into ncr is equal to 0. Then sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r cube into ncr is equal to 0.
Sir, any power.
Power?
Sir,
No,
R
power
power
is
anything.
power is n.
No, sir, no, sir. I'm saying R power 8 also will work.
Yes. Power is anything.
So could you please prove one?
Prove this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n r into minus 1 whole to the power of r ncr is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Then r into ncr is equal to 0. Now here r into ncr is equal to, what is the formula? Fourth property, ncr n by r n upon r n minus 1 c r minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 n minus 2 c r minus 2 is equal to so
Sir,
on, like that.
sir, where n by r again comes, sir.
N by
Sir,
n by r.
So it would be n
Oh,
by
yeah.
r
Okay,
into
okay. N by r. N by r. Okay. Okay. See, like that. Here apply. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r into ncr is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r into n by r n minus 1 c r minus 1. Right?
yes, sir.
Now
n is
r
common
get cancelled. R get cancelled is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r n minus 1 c r minus 1. Understood?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
outside n will be, sir.
Ah,
Sir, n will be outside.
oh, okay, okay. N here, right?
Yes.
Okay. N into, okay. Then after that, n into sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power of r n minus 1 c r minus 1. What is that? N minus 1 c0 minus n minus 1 c1 plus
N
minus
minus 1
1
C2.
c2 minus n minus 2
C3.
n minus 3 c3. Okay. Then plus so on is equal to n into
0.
0 is equal to 0. This is the proof.
Okay, sir.
Then next, done, all of you done? Then next, P6, first one, sigma r is equal to 0 to n, r is equal to 0 to n, ncr is equal to 2 power n. Okay. Then second one, sigma r is equal to 0 to n, ncr is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Here one, sorry, here one. Third one, sigma r is equal to 2 to n, ncr is equal to 2 power n minus 1 minus n minus 1. Right? Or it can be written as here ncr is equal to 2 power n, nc0, nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 plus so on ncn. Okay. nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so on ncr plus so on ncn is equal to 2 power n. Then this one nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 plus so on ncr plus so on ncn is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Then this one nc2 plus nc3 plus nc4 plus so on plus ncr plus ncn is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Understood? Then this one is A, B, B, right? First one. Sigma R is equal to 0 to N, NC R, N minus 1 CR, right? N minus 1 CR, N minus 1 CR, 2 power N minus 1, 2 power N minus 1, sigma, second one, right? Sigma R is equal to 1 to N, N minus 1 C R minus 1, N minus 1 C R minus 1 is equal to 2 power N minus 1, 2 power N minus 1. Here N minus 1 C0 plus N minus 1 C1, correct? N minus 1 C2, N minus 1 C2 plus 1 plus N minus 1 C, N minus 1 C N minus 1 is equal to 2 power N minus 1. Then this one N minus 1 C,
Sir, sir, R approaches N, no, sir. So N minus 1 C N is not possible.
N minus 1 C,
N is not possible, no, sir.
here
Yes, sir. The last term should be N minus 1 C N.
N minus 1 C N, right?
Sir, but that's not possible.
N,
Can't take,
N minus 1.
sir, then above the limit should be N minus 1 itself, right? Yes, sir. Sir, the sigma limit I'm talking about.
Sigma limit, this one.
Yes, sir, that should be N minus 1.
Is equal to 2 power N minus 1. This one N minus 1 R is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, N C 0, N minus 1 C 0 plus N minus 1 C 1 plus N minus 1 C 2 plus 1 plus N minus 1 C N minus 1. Then next C, right? C. Then next C, sigma R is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 to N minus 3, R is equal to 0, N minus 3, N minus 3 CR is equal to 2 power N minus 3, 2 power N minus 3 is
Sir,
equal
for any limit N minus
sigma,
nothing
listen,
but
listen.
2.
R is equal to 1 to N minus 2, sigma N minus 2, N minus 2 C R, N minus 3 C R, N minus 3 R minus 1, R minus 1 is equal to sigma R is equal to 2 to n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 3, C, R minus 2, right? These three, sigma R is equal to 1 to n minus 3. Don't write here, this one. Sigma R is equal to 0 to n minus 3, n minus 3 CR is equal to sigma R is equal to 1 to n minus 2, n minus 3 C R minus 1 is equal to R is equal to 2 sigma n power of n minus 1, n minus 3 C R minus 2 is equal to 2 power n minus 3, 2 power n minus 3.
Sir,
Now,
I didn't understand.
okay. See, first this one, right? Sigma R is equal to 0 to n minus 3 is equal to n minus 3 CR is equal to, right?
Yes, sir.
Now n minus 3 C0, right? N minus 3
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C0 plus n minus 3 C1 plus n minus 3 C2 plus so on. Plus so on n minus 3 n minus 3 C n minus 3
Yes.
is equal to 2 power n minus 3. Then same thing, right? Sigma R is equal to 1 to n minus 2, n minus 3 C R minus 1 is equal to. Now here, right? N minus 3 R
So
minus
wouldn't
1
it be
minus
n
1
minus 2 C R
0 only.
minus 1?
Hmm?
So isn't it supposed to be n minus 2 C R minus 1?
Which one?
The sigma part, n
This
minus
one?
2 C R minus
No,
1. Yes, sir.
n minus 3 C R minus 1.
Sir, but over there you wrote on the top, you wrote n minus 2 C R minus 1.
N minus 3 C R minus 1.
Oh, okay.
N minus 3 n minus C, n minus 3 C R minus 1. Okay.
Yes,
Then n minus 3 C 1 minus 1 0, n minus 3 C 0 plus, then next n minus 3 C1 plus n minus 3 C2 plus so on plus n minus 3 C n minus 3 is equal to 2 power n minus 3. Then next third one, right? Sigma R is equal to 2 to n minus 1, n minus 3 C R minus 1 is equal to, then here 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, here, oh here 2, right? Yes, correct. Here 2, R minus 2, right? Then here 2 minus 2, 0. Then n minus 3 C0 plus n minus 3 C1 plus n minus 3 C2 plus so on plus n minus 3 C n minus 3 is equal to 2 power n minus 3. Understood, Nagbhushan?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. This is the properties, 6 properties only, sorry, 6. The next problems. Proofs also is there, some important proofs. Keshav, understood, Keshav?
So yes, sir, but last class, if I watch means I'll understand more properly, sir.
Last class?
So, if I watch that video lecture, no,
See,
sir, I will
next year,
understand more
this
better.
year, second year, after completion of second year, once again, all chapters repeating synopsis. Okay? All chapters.
Yes, sir, but till that I won't wait, sir. I'll watch the video lecture, last video lecture.
Ha, ha, ha. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then problems. First one. If 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus so on plus cn x power n, then value of c naught plus 3c1 plus 3 square c2 plus 3 cube c3 plus so on plus 3 power n cn is equal to first option 2 power n, second option 3 power n, third option 4 power n, fourth option 5 power n, 2 power n minus 1.
So 4 power n.
4 power
N.
4 power n only. 4 power n.
Sir, we can use mathematical induction.
Put x
We
is
just
equal to
need to
3.
substitute x is equal to
Put x is
Yes, sir.
equal to
X
3.
equals 2 and x equals 3, you can take and do it. Not x, sir. N.
n. Okay. Then next second one, important model. Show that 25 C10 plus 24 C10 plus 23 C10 plus 22 C10 plus so on 10 C10 is equal to 26 C11.
Sir?
Tell.
Sir, we are using one property like NCR is plus NCR plus 1 is equal to NCR
No.
plus
Wrong. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to.
Sir, other way around also is true only, no, sir.
Hmm.
R is equal to R plus 1 also is the same. Is a
Correct.
property only we are using, right?
Using, yes.
So could you do it once?
This one?
Second one.
Ah, okay, okay. Nagabhushan,
Yes, sir.
done?
Sir, I am also not getting it.
Okay. Kesha?
No, sir.
Huh?
I'm just thinking how to do. I think
Sir,
left
you
Thinking.
can't
hand
use
side.
that property.
Hmm?
Sir, here the upper limit, like the number of objects is changing, not the number of selections.
See here, 25 C10. Okay. 24,
Yes, sir.
23, 22, plus so on. 10 is given, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we should take 10C10 plus 11C10 plus 12C10 plus so on. 23, 24, 25, right?
Yes,
Understood?
yes, sir.
Then after that, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR.
Sir, but here the bottom part is not changing, right?
Bottom?
You need to add and subtract a value, right?
Ah,
Yes, I got it.
then we will get answer. Himanshu, understood?
Kind of, sir.
Do. Keshav? 10C10 plus 11C10 plus 12C10 plus so on 20, 23C10, 22 plus 23C10 plus 24C10 plus 25C10.
Sir, could you do it once?
Uh, See, LHS take here 10C10, 11C10 plus 12C10. Now here NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR, right? Then 10C10, 10C10 plus 11C10.
Yes, sir.
11C, 11C, 11.
Sir, but R value is different over
Yes,
here.
sir, R value is constant, not N value is changing, sir.
N value changing.
Yes, sir, not R value.
Ten C 10. Then we will get 11 C 10, right?
Sir, we can write 11C10 as
Huh.
10C10,
Huh.
10C9.
10 C 10, 10 C 9.
Sir, still that's wrong.
Wait. Then it is wrong, no? Then how to solve? Nagbhushan?
Sir, thinking.
See, 10 C 10 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, it is 1.
Oh, okay. Then 11 C
11C10 is 11.
11. Then here 10 C 10 is given. LHS take 11 C. Eleven C 11
Oh, sir,
plus
I have.
11 C 10.
Sir, I have got till.
Hmm.
Sir, what I did, I added and subtracted 10C9. Sir, I have added and subtracted 10C9, sir.
Hmm.
Then finally, I got 26C9 minus 10C9.
26
C9 minus 10C9.
10C9. 11C11 plus 11C10.
Sir, 12C12. Sir, 12C11.
12C11.
No, sir, 12C10.
12C10.
Yes, sir. Sir, but this we can't add to that one, right? Sir, I have got till 26C9 minus
Hmm.
10C9.
Here something is there. 10C10. 10C10 plus 11C10. Then 11C 11C then next class I will tell this problem.
But, sir, final answer is 26C9 minus 10C9.
29C
Sir, 26C9
C okay.
minus 10C9.
10C9
Yes, sir, this only I got.
No, I'm checking.
Sir, try adding 10C9 and subtracting 10C9. Sir, then that's wrong. Yes, sir, that's wrong.
Mhm.
So we can write 25C10 as 25C15 and 24C10 as 24C14 and so on, right?
Okay.
And then can we use like the n by r, n minus r, c, r minus 1 property?
10C, tell again.
So we can write 25C10 as 25C15 and 24C10 as 24C14.
Okay.
Sir, and then we can write 25C14 as 25 by 10.
Hmm.
No, 25 by 15,
Yes, sir, that will work.
24C14.
Yes, sir, that will work.
That will work.
Yes, sir.
25C10.
So 25C10 becomes 25C15.
25C15. Okay. Then 24C10 becomes
24C14.
24C14. Okay. Then 23 also 23C13, right?
Yes, sir.
22
22C12.
C12. Then so on 10C10, right?
10C0.
10C0. 10C0 is
1.
1. Then how it is coming? 26.
So then 25C15 can be written as 25 by 15, 24C14.
25 by 15.
Into 24C14.
24C14. Oh, okay.
So and then similarly we can group 23C10 and 22C10.
Hmm.
So after that we would get 23 by 13,
Hmm.
22C12.
This is not coming, no? Okay, that problem leave it. Tomorrow I will tell. Okay. Then next, third one. Find value 47C4 plus sigma j is equal to 1 to 5 52 CJ C3. Important, very, very important. Do all of you do?
Sir, how can J be 1?
Hmm?
How can we assume J to be 1? J
J
should
is
always be
equal to
greater
1
than
to
3,
5.
right? So, but J should always be more than 3,
No,
right?
no,
For
the number of objects is 52 minus j, not just j.
oh, okay, fine.
This type of model
To C3.
from 70 to 70, 69.
So
Tell
53, sorry, 52 C3.
52 C3 or C4?
Sorry, sir, C4, C4.
52 C4. Understood, Himanshu?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
47
So
C4.
the earlier problem also we can do like this only, sir.
Huh?
So the earlier problem also we should do like this only.
Like this
Yes, sir.
only.
Yes, sir. I got it now. I got it now.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Before problem also same like this. Try.
Yes, sir.
Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir. I'll try.
something is there. Something mistake. 10C10 plus 11C10. I think adding and subtracting 10C9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct, I think. 10C10. Okay. 10C10, 11C, 11C10 plus 12C10 plus so on 23C10 plus 24C10 plus 25C10. Then 10C,
Sir, not possible, sir. We
not
need
possible, huh?
no, sir. It's not possible. We need to add 10C11. That's not possible. 10C11 is not possible.
Okay.
Sir, so we have to ignore the last term.
This is this one.
Sir, we are getting the answer now, sir. We can add 10C11. Then we would get
10C11
11C.
doesn't exist. 10C11.
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay, leave it. That problem. Tomorrow I will explain. The next problem do. Very, very important problem. Find value of.
Sir, then the answer should be 26C
Ah,
plus 1.
I think answer.
Sorry, 26C11 plus 1.
Okay.
Yes, that only should be the answer.
IIT 2011. Very, very important problem. This problem also.
So we can add 11C11 to it. And then we would get the correct answer.
11C,
11.
11C11.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what I was saying. But we need to now ignore
11C11.
Yes, sir.
Then, okay. It's coming now. 11C11.
Yes, sir. That's what I did, sir. I am getting 26C11 plus 1.
26C11.
11 plus 1.
Correct. 11C1, 11C11 plus 11C10, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From there, everything will.
11C10, then 12C10 plus so on 25C10, right? Then after that,
Yes, sir. You will get the answer.
12C11, right? 12C11. 12C11 plus 12C10 plus so on 25C10. Then after that, 12,
Then the answer will be
20,
plus.
25C11. 25C11 plus
No.
25C10.
Yes, sir.
25C11 plus
Then
25,
after that, we need to write plus
26C11.
C11 plus 1 minus 1.
Plus 1
no,
minus 1.
sir. Why, sir? You can just write 10C10 as 11C11, sir. It's anyways equal to 1.
Correct.
So that's what I meant to say. Not this.
Correct. 10C11, 10C10 or 11C11. Correct. Correct, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. That's also correct.
Yes. Okay. So finally, the answer is coming.
Yes, sir. Through another question.
Okay. See, this problem is very, very important. IIT 2011.
So that's n by r or what?
N.
It is NCR itself.
See, C of n comma r. Correct?
Yes,
R,
sir.
R it can be written as n r open brackets.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, is that, sir, what's the third term? Is it 3 or is without 3?
Which one? 2
Sir,
into n r minus 1, n r minus 2.
there are no 3 is there.
No 3. NCR 2 NCR minus 1 plus NCR minus 2. Then tell Himanshu answer.
Just a minute, sir.
Hmm.
Answer. Sir, is the answer n plus 2 CR?
Yes, correct. Integer type question.
Done, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
same thing, same type of model. Fifth one, do find value of n NCR 3 into NCR minus 1 plus 3 into NCR minus 2 plus NCR minus 3. Same type of model. This week, Himanshu, this week binomial theorem test, K-set and mains.
Sir,
This week.
this week.
This week, only binomial theorem.
So is it on Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday, one test and Sunday, one test. Saturday,
Saturday is
K-set,
K-set.
K-set and Sunday mains. Then last week, Nagabhushan got 93 K-set. Then mains 76, 80. percentage. Correct, Nagbhushan?
Sir, it's the other way around. Sir, KSET I got 93 and G main part I got 76.
76. Okay. But that is mains paper is little bit tough paper, right? I want one rank in KSET and one rank in mains. Then next year. Nagbhushan. Compulsory is coming. KSET and mains. Himanshu, you also. Done.
So n plus 3 CR, right?
Yes, correct.
Sir,
Ah.
so does this mean
Hmm.
NCR
Hmm.
4
Hmm.
NCR minus 1
Hmm.
6
Hmm.
NCR minus 2
Hmm.
4
Hmm.
CR
Hmm.
3
Hmm.
NCR minus 4 also gives sorry, N plus 4 CR.
Hmm.
So because here one pattern is there 1 to 1, 1 3 3 1.
Hmm.
Next pattern will be 1 4 6 4 1.
14641. Ah, okay.
Yes, the next pattern.
Hmm.
So by the next pattern, we can say the next term will be N plus 4 CR.
Ah, N plus 4 CR.
A nice question.
Very, very important IIT level. JEE advanced level. Then one more problem, same type of model. Okay, Nagbhushan.
Yes, sir.
Same find value. NCR plus 4 into NR minus 1 plus 6 into NR minus 2 plus 4 into NR minus 3, NCR minus 3 plus NR minus 4.
Sir, this only I was talking about.
Ah, yes, correct.
Plus 4 CR.
Ah, 641.
Sir, how to do trinomial expansions?
Trinomial.
Sir, like 3 terms expansion.
Then after that I will explain.
What is it? N plus 4 CR.
Yes, correct. Trinomial is not there, no?
Sir, but questions can come like 1 minus x plus y whole power n.
1 minus x minus y. Yeah.
Yes, sir, whole power n.
No, it's not coming.
Sir, they can ask any coefficient, no, sir, from that.
Okay. Trinomial is not there in mains level and IIT level. Both levels is not there. Trinomial.
Sir, but like expressions like x, so like expressions like x square plus 2x plus 5 whole power 20 or something like that.
That is only coefficients is given. Coefficient.
So then how to do those?
See, before last class, I will give no one problems.
Sir, that was very small, sir. That
Big problems also is there.
yes, sir.
Then practicing problems. First concepts done now. After that, practicing all type of
Okay,
models.
okay, sir.
Done. This problem done. Then next class shall continue. Then fractional index. Then one more thing is divisibility theorem. Then 2 concepts left. Divisibility problems. Sorry.
Sir, do off, sir, because we have 2 days left.
Then tomorrow completed. Concepts based on problems complete.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow done, completed syllabus. Then tomorrow, that is only for half an hour, 45 minutes, concepts, problems. Then 45 minutes, remaining 45 minutes based on all concepts, more type of models. And then next class also Friday's class also practicing problems. Then we will write Saturday test, right? Case it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nagbhushan, Himanshu,
Thank you,
Gopala.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.